Cut the vinyl plank precisely around the toilet flange by making a cardboard template first and transferring it to the plank for an accurate, clean cut. Start by turning off water and removing the toilet to access the flange, or at least lift the tank slightly so you can rotate the bowl safely. Measure the flange diameter and bolt positions, then cut a piece of cardboard larger than the plank and place it over the flange to trace the exact shape and bolt holes. This template prevents guessing and reduces waste. Transfer the template to the vinyl plank with a pencil, aligning the plank grain or pattern so the cutout will look intentional, and score the cut line firmly with a utility knife for a clean edge if the plank is thin or has a rigid core. For thicker or rigid core vinyl, use a fine-tooth jigsaw blade and cut slowly with the plank supported on a flat surface to avoid chipping. Clamp the plank if possible to keep it stable. If you only have a box knife, make multiple shallow passes along the scored line rather than forcing a single deep cut, and snap the waste piece away when the score is deep enough. Test fit the plank around the flange without adhesive or sealant, then trim small amounts at a time until you achieve a neat fit with just enough clearance for the flange and bolts. Beginners often cut too large a circle and leave gaps that let moisture through, so make a precise cardboard template and trim slowly to avoid overcutting. A second common mistake is chipping the plank edge by cutting unsupported or using the wrong blade, so always support the plank, score before cutting, and use a fine-tooth blade designed for plastics. Third, people forget to seal where the flange meets the plank, which can lead to water intrusion. Apply a bead of waterproof sealant around the flange perimeter after dry fitting and before final installation, so the sealant compresses when the toilet is set back down. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work, with tools to post projects and search for opportunities. On our site, we also host a discussion community where users and professionals share tips on jobs like cutting vinyl plank around a toilet flange and troubleshoot specific installation challenges.